It's a fantastic vibe here, and the Fijians, they always bring a good bit of vibe, and this team is packed with it.
The Drua, they've got two debutants in the starting. Unasi Lalabalavu will start in at hooker on debut, but it'll be this back row that's crucial for the Drua. Teresa Tananivalu in at 6, Salida Waisanga at 7, and Carolina Naiwesa in at 8.
Don't stay down, well done.
Woody fighting through the traffic. Now it's with Narokete, running against her old team. Narokete gets 3 metres away. Down a halfback.
No.
The Reds pick to rumble, and they're rumbling indeed! And they're through! It's a great try for the Reds. They're on the scoreboard first.
No, don't milk that.
Senikarivi trying
That's
to
advantage.
get the penalty from Kramer being offside, but the Drua are starting to find some space, find some momentum. Little pass away, right-hand side is open. Nevosa is away, straightens up, but it's a good tackle from Dallinger. Off the deck, Tananivalu scores, and the Momentum Maidens from Fiji score a brilliant, brilliant try. The Wallaroos and the Fijiana, they're going to be locking horns July 6 at Allianz Stadium. So players playing for position as we see the Drua on the right-hand side. Now it's with Nevosa, the debutantes. There is no sweeter feeling than one on debut, and the Drua take the lead.
What an absolute star the Drua has found in this winger, Nevosa.
As we see the Drua, first touch in hand, they've got a yawning gap to play in on the far side. And they'll entrust it with Milania. Milania breaks away from one. Milania wanted to offload desperately, and she will. There it is with Orai! And they'll crash through for an early score in the second half.
Just be very careful.
Another carry here for Rumba Nakandavu. Senikarivi. Head of steam from Koravata. She rumbles forward and she gets the try. The juggernaut was never going to be stopped. Come onto the scene the last few years, and they have been absolutely brilliant, and we see a conversion get the whistle of approval. It is the Drua. Another opportunity, Malloy finds her mark again. The Reds form up nicely. They've got some nice speed coming in towards the try line. They've just got to stay upright. It's a real pile on, and it's a penalty try for the Reds, an instant 7 points. And there's going to be a subsequent yellow card here for the Drua. This could really turn this match on its head, and it will be Ana Koravata leaving the fields. Really a brilliant way to wrap up round 1 of this competition, and it excites everyone to think about what's coming in the remainder of the matches. Milania, left-hand side, oh, and she's off and running. Milania, too much class, still going. The offload is there, and Buddha, she'll get one herself, and they'll finish it off in style. Waisenga for the try, puts them back ahead. So a big welcome to her, a legend of the game here in Queensland and Australia. And now it's with Sawaso, and the youngster with the fleet feet gets it done, and you will not see a bigger celebration this afternoon. At training the first time, it was a light bulb moment, and a love for the game started. Now it's with Kramer. Melania, her pass leaves a lot to be desired. It's picked up though by Rumba Nakandavu. The Drua still with it. Roko Uno out here for the captain, Naisewa. Beats the first. There's space. Naivosa is through. And that will do it. What a debut